Hey there, guys. It's your boy Tenyasin1, and today I have something different to show you guys. Basically, it's a kind of FPS game which I set up in about 2 days or less. Actually, I think it's less than 2 days. And basically, uh, it's supposed to be a multiplayer FPS, and I don't really have much of the multiplayer part here, but I'll just kind of go ahead and show you both sides of it. If I can, because today I don't really have much time, possibly. I'm sorry for the late upload as well, and I was supposed to show you the other thing. So yeah, here we go. So let it just kind of play it and stuff. So we could just spawn in the game, and we have a really okay. Give me a second. Okay, so we could just spawn in the game. All right, and we have this really nice, simple FPS, you could say, view. So we have a weapon, and well, of course we have a weapon. And give me a second, I have to restart. Yeah, it's better. So we have a weapon. We spawn in with a weapon. We could just start the game. We can see our shadow, but unfortunately, no feet or legs or anything. And we can move around. And these are not really animations. It's just based on code. So I used the FPS. Standard asset prefab and code as the base for the FPS. As you can see, there's some screen tilting effect. Screen tilts. The weapon moves just like the camera bounces up and down, and basically you can run. There's no animations with that, but there are animations such as shooting, reloading, and jumping and stuff. Well, no, actually not jumping, just shooting and reloading. That's it, and then drawing your weapon, of course. So yeah, pretty simple. You can aim out sights, and the bullet actually has some gravity to it. So it's not like the bullet will, like I think Call of Duty and such games, the bullet just moves in indefinitely. It actually has some gravity to it. It's not made using raycasts. It's actually made using things like what can I say? Like it's actually an object, a prefab bullet with a rigid body component attached to it. So I can just kind of aim, and I can try shooting the bullet. As you can see a little bit of trail when we shoot it. And if you try shooting it up in the sky, you can just see the bullet right there. It goes, and it actually takes about 10 seconds for the bullet to automatically destroy itself. So in case you want to play around with the bullet a little bit, do a I don't know, something like this, which I think it's useless at the moment, but if you would like to do that, I do believe that it would be really fun to just 360 no-scope someone or something like that. And yeah, there's another weapon, just a pistol. The aiming isn't perfect for this. Also, there's the aim accuracy, so you see the bullet doesn't always hit the same thing. I think this is pretty simple, straightforward, so yeah. And if I can just show you that the bullet gravity actually kind of fun to play with. Let me see if I can show you that. So if I move really far off, it's not really that far off, but it's still pretty far off. Okay, and I kind of try aiming. Yeah, there you go. So you can just see that. Okay, there. So the bullet goes up and down, and this is based on different weapons ranges. And honestly, I'm keeping in mind that I would like to make it as realistic as I possibly can. So basically, right now, I haven't really studied how this gun works or how weapons in general work. So I'm actually thinking and studying about that, about how bullet works, about how you could say the atmospheric pressure, the wind, everything could affect a bullet. Stuff like that. So I'm trying to see and trying to simulate all that in game in real time, and make the bullet, the bullet dropping, shooting, as realistic as possible and as fun as possible to play with. So this is one of the goals which I have come across. Okay, so that's one thing for this. The other thing I wanted to show you is actually the multiplayer. So the multiplayer is really incomplete, and it's not even close. I mean, even the single player is really incomplete. You can't really say that it's a decent part right now. But yeah, it's pretty okay for something I set up with free assets in like a day. And to tell you honestly, I have no idea if this gun is for commercial use or not. So because when I asked the person who actually distributed this asset, he didn't reply with anything. So what I plan to do is possibly find a replacement for it as soon as possible, and once I do, I will replace the gun, the arms, the animations with that specific replacement. So anyways, here we have the multiplayer thingy, so I can just kind of spawn in, and as you can see, there is the guy. I can see him, and if you can see in the screen, you can see me as well. There we go. It's pretty funny. I'm sorry, it's pretty funny, but the aiming. Look at the aiming. What's this? Seriously, what? Okay, I'm working on that as well. Don't worry. And you can shoot him though. Like you see on the like bottom right, you have the health, which just got 80. And if I continuously shoot him, he will go back to the spawn point. He won't exactly die or anything, but it will just go back to the spawn point and reset his health as well. And right now, the weapon syncing is not implemented on Network. So if I change to the pistol, the damage won't change. Okay, but however, the weapon wouldn't exactly change. So I think the damage didn't even change there as well. Yeah, there's something wrong with it. But yeah, the animations they play. So there's the reload animation, which doesn't always play. So I'm actually kind of disappointed. I'm sorry, but yeah, that's one thing. And yeah, you can jump, you can move around, and it actually syncs pretty well. I can actually, get on top of his head, and it's pretty fun. And I can actually use him as a placeholder to get on top of here. Woo, yeah! And yeah, it actually works really nicely. It's really fun to play with. So if you guys want to see more of this, then please do let me know. And there's not much to show about here, and I'm sorry I don't really have anything to show about the sword mechanics, the other project, or the main project. It's due to the fact that I didn't, as I said, so, well, no excuses, but no time weekly. Just got 2 days, and I wanted to try out something different for for a bit of mind manipulation. I don't know, but yeah, that's one thing. And yeah, he can hit us as well, of course. So if I were to just kind of switch back to Unity, and here we have him, and I know I still have to fix the things that, like, so whenever I hit him, there's particles. There's like actual blood particles, and not this weird thingy coming off him. And also like some proper animations. I mean, no, this is just an animation pack, pretty cheap off the asset store. The animations are not really too good, but they're pretty usable. So I thought I want to just use this. Yeah, it's pretty fun to just jump off one another's head and like. And yeah, that's that. So hope you guys like this, and if I turn on the server, I'm pretty sure it'll disconnect the client as well. But yeah, anyways, it does work over the network as well, not only locally, by the way. So yeah, that's one thing. And if you guys want to maybe play with it with me sometime, I might as well upload this game on a freeware place or something like that. You could just keep track of it and play with me sometime, or play together sometime. But I do believe there's a user limit for this, for the multiplayer, so that's gonna be a problem. But anyways, I'll keep on updating this. I'll keep on uploading some builds for it, and I think I actually have one build. I'll actually update it, like upload it as soon as I can. Will be a good thing for beta testing as well. So yeah, anyways guys, hopefully you like this and you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you wanna know more about it, or want to stay tuned with the game making updates. Again, there's not really much to it, but yeah, there's some really cool image effects actually. So like there's this really amazing reflection, screen space surface reflection, I think SSR, screen space reflection, I don't know. And then this is the model, by the way. So yeah, it's pretty funny. And some scripts off there, some the edited version of the standard first-person controller, some of my own creations, the weapon manager, health manager, some variables syncing over the network, and it's all made through the use of what can I say, Unet. So basically Unity's built-in networking system. It's pretty useful, it's pretty convenient. So If you guys want to set up your own multiplayer game, then I do suggest you try that before actually, going for any third-party applications, packages, or anything like that. Third-party assets. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Anyways, see you guys then. Peace out.